Warm welcome to Learn Stock Charts YouTube channel. And today is Saturday. So today I'm going to analyze one of the chart that is related to Bitcoin. Bitcoin, as you all know, started around 2014-15, and the people who have invested in Bitcoin right now are earning in lakh rupees, like lakh rupees, around 30-40 lakh rupees is the current price of Bitcoin right now. So I thought let's analyze this chart so with price action, and we'll see how it performs. So today I'm targeting BTC USD chart, though Bitcoin is in India, it is traded in INR, and today its current price is 31 lakh rupees. 31 lakh rupees, it 16,403. This is so uh, let me start analyzing this chart, how Bitcoin is performing. And my analysis always moves from higher time frames to lower time frames, that is monthly, weekly, daily, and hourly chart patterns. So my analysis revolves around support and resistance, price actions, trend lines, and if any chart pattern is there or not. So let me find the highest resistance and highest support for it. 51 lakh is the highest resistance. Second highest resistance is 48 lakh rupees. Third highest resistance is around this one. You can say this one. This zone is around 44 to 45 lakh. And let me mark the support. First major support is around 30 lakh, and second major support, this is the major support, 21 lakh. So any trend line is there, guys? If I say let me mark this one, let's see this one will work or not. Fine. So let me go into the weekly chart pattern. In weekly we are able to find anything or not. This one, see, this one is more precise. So let me draw this one. And guys, sorry for that. So currently it is in between this zone, 51 lakh to 31 lakh. And let me see if anything I am able to find in, let me see if I am able to find anything in daily chart patterns. See guys, if you are able to see, there is a trend line. This one is working like that. This act as a dynamic resistance, though you are able to see lot of lines in the chart. But yes, as we are proceeding with the analysis, after few days we are able to figure it out what best is working, because just in the first attempt you are not directly able to find out this is how the chart will perform, because in trading or in investing nothing is for sure. But yes, we always do prediction, we always try to find the probabilities. So this is how I am working right now. And if I say right now, as the candles are showing, uh, this is high, this is low, then again this is high, this is low, and again this is high. So this is higher low, it's going on. And let's wait for few days. Movement is considering the downward movement right now. In a hourly chart pattern, it is in range bound mode. This one till this one. So if it is in the same range, bounce back will go any side. If it crosses this bounce back, approximately you can say 32 lakh, then definitely the move is upside. So today it rises around 32,000 rupees, 32,307 rupees. So chances are upside as per the hourly chart pattern. But as per the, if you are able to see daily chart pattern, it is downside movement. So I can say let's wait and watch for few other days also. So I keep this BTC INR. Same thing you are able to see in BTC USD. This is, both charts are working on the same pattern. But just I analyze BTC INR. You analyze yourself with BTC USD. If you are going to trade in crypto, or you are going to do anything else, that is purely your own risk, because this is a very fluctuating thing, crypto and Bitcoin specifically. And but also one disclaimer from my end, I am not any financial analyst or registered person, but yes, I do analysis on the basis of my understanding, which I got it from YouTube, and I keep on improving myself, and I'm posting the charts. I request you should comment on my video, you should like my video, you should subscribe to my channel, and also let me know if I am doing any mistake, because this is how we both will learn, and community of stock market and traders will learn. And also I want that you should share my channel with those people who are actually doing the trading or investing, so that will actually help all of us. So have a nice day guys, have a nice weekend. Thank you.